For centuries, farming was a labor of love, powered by human and animal muscle, a testament to human endurance and ingenuity. Farmers planted seeds by hand, tilled the soil with oxen, and harvested crops with simple tools, often working from dawn till dusk. Families worked together, their lives dictated by the rhythms of the seasons, sharing both the hardships and the bounties. These traditional methods were sustainable, working in harmony with nature, preserving the land for future generations. Farmers relied on natural fertilizers and crop rotation to maintain soil fertility, ensuring the land remained productive. Knowledge was passed down through generations, ensuring continuity and resilience, a living legacy of agricultural wisdom. But these methods were also inefficient and limited in their ability to produce large quantities of food, unable to meet growing demands. As populations grew, so did the demand for more efficient farming practices, pushing the boundaries of traditional methods. The stage was set for a revolution in agriculture, one that would forever change the way we produce our food, ushering in a new era of farming.
Today, agriculture is on the cusp of a new revolution, driven by technology and data. Precision farming, a data-driven approach to agriculture, is transforming the way crops are grown. Sensors in the field collect data on soil conditions, moisture levels, and even plant health. This information is then used to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, ensuring that crops receive exactly what they need when they need it. Precision farming promises to increase yields, reduce waste, and minimize the environmental impact of agriculture. By using resources more efficiently, farmers can produce more food with less land, water, and chemicals.
Drones, once the stuff of science fiction, are now becoming commonplace on farms around the world, transforming the agricultural landscape. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their fields, offering insights that were previously impossible to obtain and making farm management more efficient. Drones can be used for a variety of tasks, including monitoring crop health, identifying pests and diseases, and even applying pesticides and herbicides with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring better crop protection. This targeted approach reduces the need for blanket spraying, minimizing chemical drift and its impact on the environment, thus promoting sustainable farming practices. The use of drones in agriculture is still in its early stages, but the potential is enormous, with endless possibilities. As drone technology continues to evolve and improve, it is poised to revolutionize the way we manage our farms and produce our food, making agriculture smarter and more efficient.
Modern agriculture faces numerous challenges that need to be addressed urgently. Climate change is leading to more extreme weather events, such as droughts and floods, which can devastate crops and disrupt food supply chains. The growing global population continues to demand more food, putting a strain on resources and pushing the limits of current agricultural practices. However, there is also reason for optimism amidst these challenges. Technological advancements, such as precision farming and drone technology, offer the potential to increase efficiency and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture significantly. Vertical farming, which involves growing crops in stacked layers indoors, could provide a way to produce food in urban areas, reducing reliance on long-distance transportation and minimizing land use. The future of agriculture will require a multifaceted approach, one that embraces technology while also promoting sustainable practices and addressing the ongoing challenges of climate change. By working together, farmers, scientists, and policymakers can ensure that we continue to have access to safe, abundant, and nutritious food for generations to come, securing our food future.